Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot tickets. HubSpot tickets are a powerful tool designed to streamline your customer service operations. They help you keep all customer interactions organized in one place, ensuring that every inquiry is addressed promptly. This system allows your team to work together smoothly, leading to quicker resolutions and happier customers. Creating a ticket is straightforward. You can either log one manually or have them generated automatically from customer emails, saving valuable time. Once a ticket is open, assign it to the most suitable team member, giving them clear ownership. Remember to update its status and priority as work progresses, keeping everyone informed about its journey towards resolution. Automation is a game changer for ticket management. You can configure workflows to handle routine tasks, like automatically routing tickets to the right department based on specific keywords or customer segments. This ensures that inquiries reach the correct experts without delay. Plus, automated notifications keep both customers and your team informed about important updates, enhancing transparency. Finally, understanding your performance is crucial. HubSpot provides robust reporting tools to monitor key metrics, such as average response time and resolution time, helping you identify areas for improvement. Generate reports to spot recurring customer issues or trends, which can inform your service strategy. These insights empower you to continuously refine your customer support and boost overall team efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.